So in this video I'm gonna show you how to manage keyboards on your Mi Smart Projector 3 Pro. So in order to do that, we'll need to go for our settings, which are located in the top right corner of the cast like this. Then move to the device preferences and find keyboard. Click OK. And from here you can start managing your keyboard. So first thing is current keyboard, and if you press OK on that, you'll see your current keyboard, which is enabled, and it's a Gboard in default. Now if we move to Gboard Settings, we'll be able to change the language. You can read all kinds of stuff like terms of services, privacy policy, open source licenses, and share user statistics, which you can enable. But some of the settings here, if you press on them, they will automatically open the web page. You can also click on Manage Keyboards, and from here you can enable specific settings for specific keyboard. So right now I have enabled Gboard, of course that's the default one, and also I have Google Voice Typing, and the last thing right here is Virtual Remote Keyboard, which you can also enable. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.